Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to learn about the oceans of the world. The oceans on the earth are the largest water bodies that contain 97% of the total water present on the planet. Students, oceans जो हैं वो largest body water bodies हैं जिनमें 97% टोटल वाटर प्रेजेंट है. इस धरती पर जितना पानी है उनका 97% जो है ओशियंस में है. देयर आर 5 मेजर ओशियंस ऑन द अर्थ. लेट अस नाउ नो मोर अबाउट दीज ओशियंस ऑफ देयर साइज फ्रॉम लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It covers 96% of the Earth's water surface. पैसिफिक ओशियन लार्जेस्ट ओशियन है और वो 46% वाटर जो है अर्थ का पैसिफिक ओशियन में है. दिस ओशियन डिवाइड्स नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड साउथ अमेरिका फ्रॉम एशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया. द Mariana Trench in this ocean is the deepest point of the earth. The Pacific Ring of Fire is the horseshoe-shaped area in this ocean that is home to almost 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. It is also the place where largest numbers of earthquakes have been recorded. These account for thousands of tremors that are experienced around the globe every year. About Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is also known as the Sea of Atlas. It covers about 29% of the Earth's surface water area. It has an elongated S-shaped basin that separates America from Europe and Africa. Atlantic Ocean is connected to all the other oceans of the world. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a large submarine mountain range present in this ocean. The Atlantic Ocean provides the world with large supply of fish. It also has large deposits of petroleum, natural gas and coal. It provides major sea routes to the world. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It covers 20% of the world's water surface. It touches Asia in the north, Africa in the west, Australia in the east, and the Southern Ocean in the south. It is connected to the Mediterranean Sea by the Suez Canal. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are parts of the Indian Ocean. The water of the Indian Ocean is warmer than all the other oceans of the world. Do you know? Indian Ocean का जो पानी है वो वर्ल्ड के दूसरे ओशियन से ज़्यादा गर्म है. और आप इसका रीज़न भी समझ गए होंगे क्यों. क्योंकि इक्वेटर नज़दीक है, इक्वेटर है वहाँ से, इसलिए इंडियन ओशियन का पानी तो ज़्यादा गर्म होना ही था. द सदर्न ओशियन. The Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It completely surrounds Antarctica from all sides. The waters of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean merge to form the Southern Ocean. यानी Southern Ocean में, Antarctic Ocean में Pacific, Atlantic, Indian तीनों ही ओशियंस का पानी जो है मर्ज होता है. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. It is partially covered with ice most of the year. The salinity level of its water is lowest as compared to the other oceans due to low evaporation of water. It touches Europe, Asia, North America and Greenland. जो आर्टिक ओशियन है इसमें जो नमक की मात्रा है वो लोवेस्ट है दूसरे ओशियंस को. जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो सैलिनिटी जो है इसकी सबसे कम है क्योंकि यहाँ से वाटर इवापोरेशन कम हो पाता है. इट टचेज यूरोप, एशिया, नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड ग्रीनलैंड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कीप लर्निंग, कीप डूइंग. Stay healthy. Thank you.